He's almost totally potty training. I'm almost out of diapers. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of gadgets to them moving along as they grow up. Diapers is not one of them. You know, diapers and the car, not
comments. So Haley's coming, not as big as they come, but it's, you know, we
Hello?
visible. And, okay.
Really?
That one is.
No stop, Screwbaroo. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Wait, what are you doing? Exit dive.
Or something like that. Dual, like dialogues, but dual-logs. Anyway, and it's a town hall style debate where instead of it being like, here's a proposition,
Exit dive.
You know, there's no morality without God or something like that, and then you have a person for and against. Instead, you have two people who have some core opposing beliefs.
And a left turn regret. Come on, get on camera. You can do it. Yay! Nope, behind me, Cadillac. Wait, did you just turn from a straight lane? What the hell are you doing back there? You dumb. Go away. Masso left. Moron. Driven to tears. Driven to tears. You didn't stop.
Call it settling of contacts. What's actually happening is every cereal flake wants to get as close to the center.
Man, that was red light run up there.
That's his job.
Of people who are radically forgetful and aimlessly wandering about, that actually they
Exit
can
dive.
cook, clean, do laundry, go shopping.
Really? The left lane was open the whole time.
It's not people in cars. And all the other delivery systems. So that's all I can tell you on that, Ken.
I'm good with that.
Good to go on that?
Exit dive behind me.
fascinated by the balancing pole.
So that as you tip, the center mass says, I want to get...
Exit regret.
Again, I want to get as close to the center of Earth as possible. And that's directly...
Left turn regret. I mean, right turn regret. How about if I just edit out that left turn so I could sound smarter? What do you think? Should I do that? Left turn regret. Infinity. Or as I like to call it, a fake Nissan driver. You're still a Nissan driver, it's just you're still bad. You're awful. Get a better car. Stupid. I'm muttering again, am I? Really, you gonna cut the corner? Mr. Fahrenheit, I'm driving at this. Whoa, that was in front of me. rock behind me?
See nice views over the trees. Probably the smallest and least exciting summer
Deer,
of the day.
deer,
in my
deer,
opinion.
deer.
So I'm
Yep,
thrilled
two of
at this
them.
point that I chose to eat my victory bagel sandwich on
Your system when it comes to everything from right to die issues, medical aid in dying, the
Get out of the street. Alright, do you have a friend? Wow, I am so freaking impressed. Go back to Vermont with that shit. I guess, is he going to do it again? Because that would be stupid. Wow, your boyfriend might be so impressed. Job lot! There's job lot! There's a job lot here too!
In the uniform of long hair and leather with this damn awful wailing. I want to rock. A good day, sir.
God, vets are so cranky.
You didn't stop.
Start your own radio station.
He's got a 337 batting average. He's got a 414 on base percentage. His OPS is over 1.
Nice
And
cutoff.
He has stolen 41 bases already.
Oh, there's even a car even closer to him.
He's got 20 homers
Jeez.
and he's got 40 steals already.
What are you doing? Really? Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, hi. Masshole. Oh. Yeah, I saw that move by that Jeep thing. Stop it. Ooh, that was... I thought he wasn't going to make it.
well, the world finding out. You think Hillary Clinton can kill any?
No, trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we're on I-90 outside of Rochester. They don't allow trucks here. No. You cannot be there with a trailer in the left lane. The left lane's ending, but that whole stretch between here and Victor, you could not have done that. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video, and it's for real this time. See, there's a sign that said that. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!